Hello, Professor. I'm Rajul Hassan, ID 101449966, and I'm demonstrating my term assignment. So over here, so that's my local folder. That's my project folder for assignment 2. So I have implemented a feature over here. So, this feature is I've added 5 or 6 names. So it's like before fighting the hero, you're either you can rescue some villagers or it could be a trap. So based on that, get you'll get added health or combat strength, or it could get minused. So I'm just gonna run the application over here. Okay, we can just gonna roll the dice. So it says total to monster kill. It's from my previous testing. Okay, analyze the weapon roll. Okay, I got a belt, flimsy gloves. Roll for second item, so I can carry 2 weapons. A belt and flimsy gloves. So I used the flimsy gloves against the monster, analyze the roll. Your matching strength, false. You have a strong player, false. So I got a weak player. So this is for the monster's magic power. I'll say 2. Yeah. Okay, so over here it says there's 3 traps altogether, and I've rescued 2 villagers. So it says you rescued 2 villagers, not enough to earn a star bonus. Maybe next time. So now I've met the monster. The monster strikes. The monster killed the hero. So the hero is dead. I'm just gonna put my name. Okay. So that's the code. So as you can see from here, uh, added this feature on GitHub, and I've posted on my GitHub repository. So the repository is over here. So this is my repository. And that's my assignment folder. And I've added my team members over here. There's 2 of them, Fuad and Veer. So this is Fuad's repository. He had added a hidden treasure feature. So that's his main file. So these are his code file, and you can see the implemented changes over here. And I can add comments to it. I have pulled his repository, and this is my another group member, Kabir. And this one is his assignment folder. He's implemented a dynamic weather system. So either it can give the hero power or it can take power. So here are the changed feature that he added. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you.
Now my friend will show his part.
So hi, I am Ahmad bin Kabir Al Shagar. So my feature for the TURN project is a dynamic weather system, and the purpose of this feature is to simulate different weather conditions like rain, snow, fog, and affect the hero's movement, combat, strength, and visibility in the game. So if I run, as you can see, it's running properly. So first we have to select a dream levels. Then we'll have loot for 2 items. So first we have the health potion, and second we got the leather boots. So here the battle is begin. As you can see, the weather has changed to fog, and first it was snowing, so the movement was is slower, and now the weather has changed to fog. So if I press enter for attack again, so now as you can see the weather is changed to fog, and now it's foggy, so your visibility is reduced. and then the weather has changed to clear again. So next you will see the weather is clear, no effect. That means the hero's movement is like there is no problem with the hero's movement. And if I go till the hero wins, so here's the monster wins over here. So we can save the hero's name like Paul. So if we save the name, as you can see, the game progress saved successfully. So if I run the program again, as you can see, I have previous heroes who kill the monsters and win in the game. So yep, that's my feature for the turn project. And if I go to my GitHub repository, so here you can see I have the dynamic weather feature. So here I have pull request. So here you can see implemented dynamic weather system. So if I go here, so as you can see, merge one comment into main from dynamic weather feature. As you can see, my team member commented over here, and here they can see my code for the new feature that I implemented in my turn project. And if I go to my team members repository, so here I have the pull request. So if I go to his pull request, I have added hidden treasure test feature over here. So here we did some comment as well, and here he has his code for the feature that he implemented in his assignment 2. And so here is my other team members repository, the winter 2025 COMP-2152. So here if I go to pull request, so he has pull request for the new future feature for the rescue feature. So here we did some comment as well, and in comment we can see his code that he implemented in his assignment 2 as a new feature. So yep, now my other team member Fuad Hassan will demonstrate his feature, and he will show his Git repository and so on as well.
Hi, this is Fuad Hassan, and my student ID is 101445595. Thank you, Rajul and Kabir, for letting me to show my project. So I'm gonna demonstrate my project. This term project. So the feature I have added is called hidden treasure chest. It's a conditional reward system that only appears when the hero is strong. So now I will run the game and walk you through the feature. So here is first I enter combat strength and monster strength like 5, 5, full dissector. So analyze the weapon. So, so monster health point, enter. So you find the loot bag, the first item is a letter boost, and the second item roll to see the who strike. Like my point is if the hero's health is above 15 and strength is above 5, a hidden treasure just appears, but the hero's health is not 15 or the strength is not above the 5. That's why the hidden treasure didn't appear. So who strike first? Players weapon 6. You have reduced the monster health to monster strike first. So you kill the monster, enter your hero's name. That's it. What? So finished. So now I'm gonna now I will show how I use Git for so version control. My GitHub link and Git repository, and there is I created a new branch called Hidden Treasure feature for this task. Then I committed the change and pushed it to GitHub. Here is my repository for the for hidden treasure features. This is hidden treasure chest features. So inside this, there we have like, here's my code where I have changed something there. After that, I'm gonna show my friend's GitHub link here. So Amit bin Kabir Al Shagor. So I have merged my GitHub with them. So here is his implemented code, implemented dynamic weather system. Here is his code, and he has changed a lot of things there for the dynamic weather system. Now I'm gonna show my another team member's project, Rajul Hassan. So this is his repository. So inside the commit, added rescue bonus features. So here is his code and everything. After that, here is his main folder. So that's my feature for this project. It makes the game more dynamic and gives player an incentive to build strong heroes. Thank you for watching.